The term WLW stands for Women Loving Women and is commonly used on TikTok and other platforms. It is a more inclusive term that encompasses various sexual orientations in which women or women-presenting individuals are attracted to other women, including lesbianism, bisexuality, and pansexuality. Some people use WLW if they don't conform to a specific orientation or haven't figured out their sexual orientation yet, but know they like women. The term is used in LGBTQ plus friendly spaces like Tumblr and TikTok, where users seek community, support, and education about gender and sexuality. The origin of WLW may be traced back to 1920s African American vernacular English, possibly providing a discreet way for queer individuals, particularly women of color, to express their same-sex attraction during a time when it was heavily stigmatized.